Hi, everyone. Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Ada, and I'm passionate about helping you achieve your financial goals. Today, we're diving into a topic that's on everyone's mind: financial freedom. Stick around as I share 5 key steps to attain financial freedom faster. Let's get started. Step 1 is budgeting. Creating a budget is the foundation of financial freedom. It helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you're living within your means. Start by listing all your sources of income and then categorize your expenses. Allocate a portion of your income to savings and investments. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about understanding your spending habits and making informed decisions. Step 2 is saving and investing. Saving a portion of your income is crucial, but investing is what truly accelerates your path to financial freedom. Start by setting up an emergency fund, and once that's in place, explore investment options like stocks, bonds, or mutual funds. The key is to start early and stay consistent. Even small amounts can grow significantly over time thanks to compound interest. Step 3 is reducing debt. High-interest debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. Prioritize paying off debts with the highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on others. Consider strategies like the debt avalanche or debt snowball method. Reducing debt frees up more of your income to save and invest, bringing you closer to financial independence. Step 4 is diversifying your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Explore side hustles, freelance work, or passive income opportunities like rental properties or dividend stocks. Diversifying your income not only provides additional financial security, but also accelerates your journey to financial freedom. Step 5 is continuous learning. Financial markets and strategies are constantly evolving, so it's important to keep educating yourself. Read books, take online courses, and follow reputable financial blogs and podcasts. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is ongoing, and staying informed is key. To recap, the 5 key steps to attain financial freedom faster are budgeting, saving, and investing, reducing debt, diversifying income streams, and continuous learning. Implement these steps, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. For more valuable resources to continue your financial freedom journey, be sure to check out the video description below. I've included links to some great books, courses, and tools that can help you take your financial knowledge to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.